Take out your Fun with Maths, page number 95. Let us read the instructions first. Color the tree green and complete the birds by joining the dots. Also count the birds and write in the box. This is a tree. You have to trace the birds, all birds, and you have to color the tree in green. Ready? Yes, and then you have to count the birds and write in the box. Take out the pencil. Let us start tracing the birds. We will start from the beak of the bird. Beak. Go around, come down, up, down, and join with the beak. Make claws of the bird, wing and eye. Next bird, beak. Take a circle, up, down, and join with the beak. Make claws of the bird, wing and the eye. Next word, beak. Take a round, down, down, and join with the beak. Make a wing, claws of the bird and an eye. Beak. Take a round, go up, down, and join with the beak. Wing. Draw claws of the bird and an eye. Now take green color and start doing outline of the tree with green color. Do outline of the tree with green crayon. Slowly trace the outline. Don't come out. Very good. You can take light green also and dark green also. Tree is green in color and birds live on the tree. We should grow more trees and make the environment green. We should not cut the trees because birds have their nest on the tree. If we cut the tree, then where will birds live? So children, we should not cut the trees. We should grow more trees so that birds can build their nests, build their homes on their trees to live. You love your house? And birds also love their house, and their house is on the tree. Very good children. Fill all the tree in green color. Fill it slowly. Don't do it fast. Very good. Like ma'am is doing green color in tree, you will also do green color in the tree. Slowly you will fill the white space of the tree in green. Look how beautiful our tree is, and our tree is in green color. Birds are very happy to live in green color tree. Now let's count the tree. Let's count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many birds? 4 birds. Let us count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the square given below, you have to write number 4. How many birds? 4 birds. Very good children. You want to do more coloring? Ready to do more coloring? Let's read the instructions. Color the tray blue and complete the toffees by joining the dots. Also count the toffees and write in the box. Take out pencil, Start doing tracing on the dots. Slowly make a small rectangle and a small triangle on both sides of rectangle. This is a toffee. Another toffee. Make small rectangle, a small triangle, another triangle on both sides of the rectangle. We all love toffees. Yes, we never say no when someone gives us toffee to eat. But we should not eat too much toffees, chocolates or sweets. They may harm your teeth. And after eating toffees, chocolates and sweets, we should always brush our teeth. This will make our teeth healthy. Very good children. You are very nice babies. You are doing very nicely. Toffee. A small rectangle on the given dots. A small triangle. Yes. Another toffee. A small triangle. Another triangle. Now look. We have completed our toffees. Now take out blue color. First do the outline of the tray. Remember children, whenever you are doing coloring in any picture, first start with outline of the picture. If you do outline first, then your color will not go out of the picture. Your coloring will be very beautiful. You want clapping from your ma'am? You want star from your ma'am? Yes? So, you have to do coloring very nicely. First, outline of the picture, and then we will fill the inside part of the picture with crayon. Now look, I am coloring in inner part of the tray. We will do coloring only in the tray, not in the toffees. Slowly. The color should not go in the toffee. Your parents will guide you to do coloring in the picture. They will tell you how to do coloring in one direction. Now let us count toffees in the tray. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many toffees? 8 toffees. Now we will write 8 in the square given below. Yes, very good. Now look how beautiful our tray is. Toffees, 8 toffees. Bye children.